Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. And this is very iniquitous. I veganized another fast food dish. This is Taco Bell's breakfast Crunchwrap, which I've never had. But I looked online and I saw people doing, their own versions of it. And I looked on their website and saw what's supposed to be in it. So I got the biggest flour tortillas I could. You can see how many pleats I ended up making. And some little street taco sized corn tortillas, which I fried myself to make crunchy. Although supposedly the breakfast Crunchwrap doesn't have a tortilla in it, but I thought, well, what's the point of leaving it out? So I put one in. So basically I've got hash brown patties on the bottom, then the toasted corn tortilla, then I scrambled some just egg. I mixed it with some chopped Morningstar Farms vegan breakfast sausage, a little bit of cumin in the sausage, and some of the veganized nacho cheese sauce on the top of the egg. And then I folded them all up and toasted them on both sides. And I already ate half of one. I made two and I already ate half of one, and it's really, really good. I like it. I'll do another one. They're so yummy. Fast food breakfast sandwiches are so good when you veganize them. No MSG in here either. So the recipe will be on my blog, and I'll put a link in the description. Regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I will link to the previous video in the description too. As always, thank you for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. And I will see you later, guys.